Hi guys, my name is Ashu Saxena and welcome to my channel. So today I bought a new palette from Amazon, the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division 1. So it has some beautiful shades. So I have never played with green and all these sort of colors. I was very curious, so I thought that I should just capture it in this video, but there happened to be a technical error, which was my phone actually stopped recording in the middle, and I was totally unaware of that. So I keep on doing my makeup, and but when I ended it up, then I realized that it has stopped filming in the middle. So please bear with me in that perspective, and if you want to know how created this look, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah.